ಅದು ಉತ್ತಮ. ಇನ್ನು ಪುರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಗನ್ನಾಥ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ರಥೋತ್ಸವ ಸಂಭ್ರಮದ ನಡುವೆ ವಿವಿಧ ಪೂಜಾ ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಶುರುವಾಗಿದೆ. ವಿವಿಧ ಗಣ್ಯರು ಪೂಜಾ ಸಮಾರಂಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅನೇಕ ಮಂದಿ ಕೂಡ ಭಾಗಿಯಾಗಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
Of the Peetha that he belongs to, Sri Nishchalananda Saraswati, they have the motto Pragyanam Brahma or Pragyanam Brahma, that is the consciousness, the divine consciousness is the only truth. That is what is impregnated into the rituals of followed in the temple of Lord Jagannatha here at Puri. And when Lord Jagannatha was coming in Pahandi, his regal style of walking down the stairs or even the grand road to alight the chariot, the movement explained the theory of Pragyanam Brahma. There is non-duality, and Brahma is one, that is, and Brahma is not anything outside, it is the consciousness that is there in everyone. Consciousness is Brahma. And when Adi Sankara established 4 cardinal mutts in different parts, now Her Excellency the President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu, alongside His Excellency the Governor of Odisha, Sri Raghuveer Das, and also the Chief Minister of the state, Honorable Sri Mohan Maji, and the former Chief Minister of the state, Sri Naveen Patnaik, along with the Honorable Minister of State for Education, Honorable Minister of Union Government for Education, Sri Dharmendra Pradhan. They are all seated there. They have come to be a part of the celebration. And very importantly, today, on this day, particularly on this Srigundicha day, there is no state function that is allowed. Even though Lord Jagannatha is not officially declared to be the state deity, but still then, it is the love of the people, it is the belief of the people, it is the practice of the people that everybody is attached to Lord Jagannatha that day. The Pontiff of Govardhana Peetha has grown older definitely, but not in spirits. He is helped in the wheelchair to go in rounds of the chariots before he takes the exit to go back to Purvamanya Sri Govardhana Peetha. And the Peetha was in charge of the earliest of the Vedas, Rig Veda, and Upanishads is Aitreya Upanishads, wherein Pragyanam Brahma is extracted. And the presiding deity of the monastery is Lord Jagannatha himself, and other presiding deity, the mother power, is Sri Bimala. And here in the temple, when the food offering is made to Lord Jagannatha, a part of it is taken to Goddess Bimala's temple, and after that it is only available for the general public and it becomes Mahaprasada. It's not just Prasada, it is Mahaprasada. Means it has grandeur. 56 types of delicacies are prepared every day, some dried and some wet also. And rice offering is also made. And dry offerings are mostly made in the evening, the offerings are made. And this is how the practice is done, and the order of learning is